Hey y'all, Sam here, and today we are going to unbox my very first Fab Fit Fun box. I'm sure everyone and their mother has seen Fab Fit Fun on Facebook, Instagram, everywhere. I finally broke down and decided I would try this subscription. Just in case you've been living under a rock, Fab Fit Fun is $49.99 and it is a seasonal subscription box. So you get it like 4 times a year. I think you might be able to choose annually as well. The box contains beauty, wellness, fashion, fitness items. Pretty much it can be anything in the box. And you're supposed to get at least a value of $200. All right, before we open this beautiful box, I actually received 3 bonus products, I guess, for signing up. And the first one I received is this beautiful little bracelet. This is the Adore Swarovski Original Circle Bracelet in rose gold. Very cute. I also received this Lashes MD Eyelash Conditioner. So this is what the lash conditioner looks like outside of the packaging. And it has a little brush and it looks like it's a clear serum. Yeah, that's just clear. I need to read up on this a little bit, but I bet you this is supposed to make your lashes grow longer and fuller. Hey, I can use that because if I take these falsies off, I have nothing. You already know this. So I also received this free item, and this is the Rose Rings Tea and Ginger Reed Diffuser. Let's open her up. Hopefully she's packaged really well because I kind of dropped her on the floor twice. Not once, but twice. Haha, it doesn't look broken. Okay, the cap's kind of off of it, but it's not poured out because it does have another seal on it. That smells very nice though. So this is what the jar looks like. You're just gonna take your little wood cap, put it back on top to make it pretty. And then here are our little sticks. And you just drop them in there like that. And magically your room will smell fresh and white tea and ginger like. All right, now that we looked at the free items I received for signing up this month, let's get into the box. Isn't she cute? Look at all the butterflies, very spring. Oh, she's even pretty on the inside. That is what she looks like on the inside. So on top we have a magazine from Fab Fit Fun. I wonder if our products are in here. It does have a lot of products in here, so these are probably a variation of some of the stuff that we could get in the box. We'll set that aside for the moment. HelloFresh has given us 9 free meals. Got a coupon to a bite guard. All right, y'all, you ready? I'm ready. The first item is from MURAD. MURAD is a super expensive brand, so that excites me very much. I'm gonna find them in the little magazine here. Wow, this Rapid Collagen Repair Serum is $78. Wow. So this pays for the entire box already. It says it is a fast-acting treatment that helps reduce the appearance of wrinkles and immediately restores more youthful appearance. We can all use a more youthful appearance. I am very, very excited about this product. All right, the second item is this Deep Sleep Body Cocoon Multitasking Beauty Sleep Saver for better nights and better mornings. Looking at our handy dandy book here, this cream retails for $40. That is very expensive for lotion. It says on the packaging to use this nightly after taking a bath, before bed to restore and nourish your skin while you sleep. It does have a safety seal. I really like that. We're going to go ahead and open it because I'm interested to see what this smells like. If it's supposed to help you sleep. I'm assuming probably lavender. Yes, it has a very strong lavender essential oil smell. I'm gonna put a little bit here on my hand just so we can feel her. I like the scent. I really do like the scent. It is very like herbally, but nice cream. I will try her out tonight once I get out the bath. All right, third item is these silicone straws. Never had a silicone straw before, but I will say, I am sick and tired of paper straws because to me that's like drinking out of a paper towel, and it literally makes my skin crawl. Can't do it. I do have a metal one that I received from like a work event, and I do carry that in my purse, but now we have some silicone ones. Here is one straw. I just want to see like how flexible it is. And yeah, I mean, it's pretty flexible. You can wad it up. It also comes with a handy dandy brush cleaner. Let's see if you can get it in there. Does it go all the way through? Doesn't quite go all the way through. It's like that much too short. I mean, you can solve that problem by maybe doesn't want to come back out. Dear Lord. Whew. That sucker didn't want to come out. But once you clean one side, you can flip it over and just clean the other side. It's a little hard, but that's good. That means it's scrubbing it good, right? That's what it means. It also came with this cute little carrier. Ooh. And I'm guessing you just wad the straw up in there. And it has a little thing, but it's not like stretchy. So it's not like you can take this and attach it to your purse. I don't know. I don't understand the attachment on this. I don't know what you're supposed to do with that. Maybe you can get your own keychain and put a keychain on it. But it is cool that it came with a carrying case. And this is worth $15. And you receive the pink, the orange, the coral, and the green straw. You know what's going to happen with these, right? I'm going to put one in my purse and I'm going to use it. And then it's going to stay in my purse and it's going to be dirty because it hasn't been cleaned. And I'm going to forget to bring it inside and clean it. And then next time I go to a restaurant and I need to use one, I'm just going to have a dirty straw. And then I'm not going to use it. It's an endless cycle of issues, isn't it? Hashtag first world problems. Fourth item on my box is from Winky Luxe. The packaging on this is super cute. I'm not sure I'm gonna like a rainbow lip gloss, but packaging's cute. It's a lip and cheek balm. It comes in this little like rounded bullet. All right, well, it's only 3 colors. I got blue, orange, and red. And let's swatch it. I don't see anything. You can kind of see a hint of pink and orange. Don't see any blue. Oh, y'all, and I already broke it. Well, ain't that some crap? Because it broke. All I did was, I didn't even barely pull it up. Y'all saw it was like maybe that much open, and it completely broke off. So, well, this lip balm is worth $18? No. This lip balm is not worth $18. Honestly, as easy as that broke, I'd probably value it at like $3. They're overpricing this for this cute box. Number 5 is this leave-in conditioner from AG Hair Care. I have extremely oily hair. I don't see this working for me. This conditioner retails for $24. It's probably a really, really nice conditioner for $24. However, I have extremely oily hair, more so my scalp. I might be able to try a little bit on the ends of my hair because since I do curl my hair every day, the ends get a little dry, but my scalp is super oily. Dude, I cannot put conditioner on my scalp. I'll have to wash it in 4 hours. All right, this is number 6. We have a hairbrush. This is a super cute hairbrush. Comes in this nice little bag. And this is from ARIA Beauty. Wow, this hairbrush is $35. That's a pretty expensive hairbrush. Let's read this card and see why this hairbrush is $35. It is a professional paddle brush. Features extended bristles for easy detangling. Rescue stressed hair and scalp during blow drying and styling. Ideal for smoothing hair during blowing. My hair is super smooth, so I don't really need to smooth my hair. Oh! It actually feels really nice. I'm gonna pull my tracks out, dear Lord. Item number 7. This one very much intrigues me. It is by GLO, and it is a wrinkle treatment. This retails for $68. Wait, I definitely think we got more than $200 of value in here. Oh, it comes with the batteries. Ha, okay, she is working. My lights are probably making it not look red, but it is a red light. So apparently this light is supposed to penetrate into the deeper layers of your skin, and by doing so, it's going to combat aging by stimulating the natural production of collagen and elastin. So that's probably like your elasticity of your skin. It's also supposed to reduce dullness and bring life to your complexion. Okay, this is very, very interesting. I would never pay $68 for this because I don't know if it's gonna work, but I'm definitely going to use it. Like, this is going to be fun. Here is item number 8. This is a 2-in-1 Purifying Glow Mask Collection. Let's open her up. Oh, lost the brush. Okay, so it looks like we have several different masks here and a brush to apply them with. I really do enjoy a good face mask, especially a moisturizing face mask. So I am pretty excited to try these out, and these retail for $45. Am I looking at that right? Yeah, $45 for these masks. I think that's everything in the box, but there is some cardboard down here, so I just want to make sure. No, that's just a space filler. I don't know why they made this box so big that they had to put another box inside of it just so it didn't look like the box was empty when you open it. Could have saved a lot of cardboard and went with a way smaller box. All right, so after totaling everything up, I got $323 worth of products in this box for $50. I have to say, FabFitFun, you got me. I'm very, very excited about the items that I received. So many new cool things that I have not tried out yet. I do feel like I got a little bit heavy skincare box. I probably would have enjoyed to see like maybe a makeup item or something like more home related. But it is what it is. Because I signed up so close to the box coming out, I didn't have any options. From what I understand, you normally get to pick 2 or 3 items that you get to customize in your box. So kind of like you pick out of the options that are available. And looking in this book, there are a few items that I totally wish I would have received. Well, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, if you liked seeing this unboxing. Also, leave me a comment below. Have you tried FabFitFun? Which product did you think was the best in this box or the most intriguing to you? Also, I'm very interested if you received something different in your FabFitFun box. I hope that you guys have a wonderful, blessed, beautiful day. And until next time, bye y'all.